Assalamualaikum. In this video, I want to show you how you can design your Excel presentation, your Excel file, where you can create a main page, where you can create button, where this button can hyperlink to your individual worksheet in your project. Okay, so how do we do that? Okay, first you just create your main page. Okay, doesn't matter whatever the design. So you have to have this button. Okay, button of company and product information about your company. Doesn't matter what are your companies. If you are Wow Watch company, so just give information about the company. Okay, just take from your report where you have provide all the information in there. Okay, the team is your team members. Okay, and then you have transaction data where you link to your raw data, and then we have button for project objectives. Okay, so these project objectives taken from your report. Okay, so you just list them out. Okay, copy and paste in the worksheet under objectives, and then we have sorry, this is analysis number 4. Okay, so we have 4 analysis. So basically it is up to if you go and see the project rubric, okay, so you can have or demonstrate up to 4 meaningful insights. So if you have 2 or 3, so doesn't matter, it depends on how many analysis you provide. But as you know that for the good marking or good grades is you are able to produce up to 4 analysis. Okay, so go back to the hyperlink button page. Okay, and then the last one is dashboard. Okay, so dashboard is the last that you have to do. And okay, so I want to show you how you can create the hyperlink. Okay, so you just create the button. Okay, how to do this? Okay, just go to insert and then select shapes. Okay, and then you can create. Okay, then you can select, you can put text in there. Okay, you can edit text. Okay, so based on creativity, your creativity, how do you want to do that? Okay, so after that, okay, for example, we select the company product. So you right click and then select hyperlink. Okay, so we want to associate or we want to link this button, okay, with the individual worksheets within this one workbook. Okay, this is called one workbook. So we want to link to here. You can see here you have 4 options: existing file or web page, where you want to link this button to file that exists in this computer or to any website, or a place in this document. A place in this document means all this worksheet tab. Okay, as you can see here, it will list them all. Will list all the worksheet name here inside this box here. Okay, so if you want to link to as a new document, so it will guide you to create new document. Or if you want to link to email address, so you will have to specify email address. It will pop up email software. Okay, so in this project we are going to link this button with place in this document. So always select place in this document. Okay, and then you can scroll down. These are all the worksheet names, okay, worksheet tabs that are available in your workbook. Okay, so for company, product and details, so of course I will link that to company tab. So select company and then click OK. Okay, then go to team, right click, select hyperlink, and then select team. Okay, still under place in this document, and then select team. For transaction data, we will link this with the raw data. So select raw data. Okay, and then for project objectives, okay, for the project objectives, you right click and then insert hyperlink. Okay, select objectives. Okay, and just continue doing all of the buttons, and we just select that for analysis 1. So we will map it to analysis 1 worksheet. And then for analysis 2, right click, hyperlink, analysis 2. For analysis 3, right click, hyperlink, analysis 3. For analysis 4, right click, hyperlink, analysis 4. And then the last one, we have dashboard. Okay, so let's see. Okay, once we have set the hyperlink, if you put your cursor, okay, on the object, okay, you can see that this one, it doesn't have that finger icon. Okay, so if you put here, you can see the finger icon on company product team transaction data. It means that we have set hyperlink for this object or for this button. Okay, so for objectives, so it's done, 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 and done. Okay, try to click company and product. Okay, so it will bring you to the company and product. Okay, so in this page, this is not, okay, it's up to you how you want to put the information. Okay, so it is based on your creativity. I am not actually make it compulsory that you have to put all the code product in your raw data and you see, okay, oh, Madam Juliana wants me to put, okay, information about all products. So you don't have to like go one by one and put, okay, image for individual products, because that will take an effort, and that is not what we're going to assess you. It's just to make some, okay, simple information about your company product. If you're selling watch, just put some watch images. Okay, doesn't have to be specific about the product code. It's up to you. Just put the company name, address, okay, operation hours if you want to put, and any just simple information. Yeah, so it tells that the project is about, for example, if you're doing a clothes company, then I know that, okay, this is about clothes project. Okay, clothes company project. So just to give us as the evaluator to evaluate your mark, so we get okay, clue, okay, for the project that you are doing. Okay, so and then if you want to go to the main page, you can click the main page button. So if not, why don't, for each page, you can add a home button. Okay, a home button. Okay, so a home button, and then you can set a hyperlink that will bring you to the main page. So this home button, so you right click and then you select hyperlink. So you select the main page, so it will bring you to the main page. So let's see how it works. So if you click home, it will go to home page. Okay, so now let's go to the theme. Okay, for the theme, okay, so for the theme, so you just even though you are not, then you are, the cashier's name are not your name, okay, doesn't matter. This is okay, maybe not business team, like this shall, you shall put them as project team. Okay, so this is for us to recognize, okay, the team members for this project. So put your images. Okay, you don't have to, okay, because you might not see each other yet, so just put your individual photo here, and then just tell or state who is the leader and who are the members. Okay, and then this one, it doesn't have that home button, so what you can do is go back to the company, so you have that button. Okay, so you right click, you copy, and then just paste it on the theme page and then put here. So normally people will always okay, will always set the button at the same position, because user will have some intuitive that okay, the button is somewhere, okay, at a specific the same location, so it helps user, okay, to like guess, okay, where the button home is. Okay, go back to theme and then right click, paste. Okay, so it was here, so it doesn't matter. So if you want to put at the top, so on the left top, so put on the left top. Okay, so that the user will easily will learn fast, okay, where to find your home button. So if you right click, it's already got the hyperlink. Okay, because when we copy the button here, we already copy with the hyperlink. Okay, so because we want it to go to the home, to the main page, so it doesn't matter, you don't have to change the hyperlink, I mean the hyperlink destination. Okay, so if I click here, it will bring me to the main page. So you will do that for the whole pages. Okay, add home button. Okay, okay, so go back to the main page, and then after project objectives, okay, yeah, so for your project objectives, okay, go to your project report, and then just, okay, insert the text box. Where's the text box? Okay, insert the text box. Okay, and then just key in, copy and paste your objectives here. Okay, so what is your project objective? So objective 1, for example, objective 1. is blah blah blah. Okay, objective 2, and so on. Okay, and then of course you adjust the formatting, the editing, the sizing, and so on. Okay, and then let's say if you don't want to have this grid line here like what you can do, is you go to view and you untick the grid lines. Okay, so you can okay, make a better design. Okay, put border and so on. Okay, now okay, you add the home button. Okay, so you go to main page, and then for the analysis, okay, for example this is analysis. Okay, you will have your analysis, your charts here, meaning that you might have your table here, your pivot table. Okay, your pivot table fields, doesn't matter. Okay, and then you will do your charts here, and then you will do your storytelling. So for each chart that you produce, you will produce a storytelling. So it will be the same for all analysis, okay, that you have. Okay, make sure you have your chart. So sometimes one analysis, it comes with 2 charts. So for example, in this analysis, so it shows weekly sales in total amount, and it also, okay, the analysis also you also perform average sales performance. So you want to show just a pie chart for the average sales performance. Okay, so you can have the second chart, but it's still about the same, okay, analysis. Okay, and then here on the bar chart here, you can put a line to show, okay, what is the average. Okay, so the average value here to show, so that from this chart, so you can have another insight of looking your weekly sales with the average sales line, okay, appear on your chart. This is done manually because in Excel you cannot do that, so you have to do it manually. And then put your storytelling here. Okay, so don't make it the font bigger, don't be too small, not to make it too small, make it large, because as you know that we have to read your storytelling. Okay, so make it large. This is because I cropped this from previous project and put it here, so you will have this. Okay, don't make sure it's a soft copy. I mean, don't copy it as image. Okay, because if it's image, if we try to enlarge it, so it will look funny maybe if you put it too small. Okay, so better to leave it as in text box. Okay, text box of the Excel. Okay, so that is storytelling. So for each chart we will do storytelling. Same goes to analysis 2. Okay, so your chart and then your storytelling. Same goes to analysis 3, chart and storytelling. Analysis 4. Okay, then the last one is your dashboard. So you put your dashboard here. So basically this is how you will submit your project later. Okay, this is to make it more manageable, more systematic way of managing your files or your worksheet on your workbook. Okay, so for each analysis, make sure they appear, I mean you put them in separate worksheet. Okay, so it's easier for us to mark your project. Okay, so as you know, when we mark your project, we will go by the rubric here, so it's easy for us to go by tab. So make sure you arrange, okay, your project presentation in this order. Okay, so basically this video is about how to set hyperlink, and make sure that for each page you have put also the home button. Okay, so make it easy for us to go back to the transaction data. So sometimes you might want to put in your analysis a link to your raw data. Okay, probably because maybe I also prefer that because it helps me sometimes to view the original data. So I would insert text box. For example, this is, I say, raw data. Okay, so I create this raw data button. Okay, I maybe put it here, then I set hyperlink to the raw data. So insert hyperlink and go to raw data. Okay, so each time that when I see, okay, your analysis, I can always go back to your raw data. So for example, this is okay, and same goes to this. Okay, same goes to this. Okay, so click here and we'll bring to raw data. Okay, so raw data. Okay, make sure you add main page button for each page. Okay, basically that's all for hyperlink tutorial, and I wish you good luck for your project submission.